इतना नेचुरली मैं देखा था. I look very young.
Yes.
I'm back to my olden days.
We have a good from Satvinder Singh ji and he is from New Zealand. Just we want to know that we had a transplant last year.
Yes.
A combination of FUT, FUEN,
Yes.
body hair.
Yes.
So how your transplant search started and how did you came to know that from New Zealand you are traveling to Jaipur?
Research through the YouTube, uploading of your social media. Yeah, that's what.
Your wife and other relatives, they won't be questioning that why Jaipur?
Nobody knows at the moment.
No.
They-
We know he wanted to come here.
Is it?
We had to bring him here. No other thing.
He was adamant.
Very.
very, very adamant.
I think it's confident.
Yeah, that's one. That's the main thing because they're confident with me and the doctor
Yeah.
who did my surgery. I trusted you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you find the difference between our work and others?
इतना नेचुरली मैं देखा था. उन लोग का हेयर जैसे अननेचुरल रखते थे. Well, yours is perfect. I'm very happy with it. Done a good job, doctor. And I'll recommend people to come and do it from here.
So what did you like the most?
Everything is quite nice. Make me quite natural. This
it?
is what my look when I was young, and it still makes me young now again.
Wow, congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
You must have searched other places like Turkey and all because a lot of people opt for Turkey nowadays.
Yes, I was not very happy with it. Yeah, I did the research for Dr. Sunit here, and I'm happy here. I done my surgery. Back here again after 1 year, and it's good.
So you saw some of friends undergone surgery at different places like Turkey, most popular places.
Yeah, but they look unnatural.
Is it?
Yeah, I can notice.
So you can notice the hairline basically.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can see them. It's a straight one.
Yes, they make a circle round ones, so
Yeah.
that's not look natural. This is quite natural looks.
Yeah.
Like face cut, follow my face cut. Yeah,
So how younger you look now?
I look very young.
Yeah.
I'm back to my olden days. Thank
So-
you, doctor.
It's our pleasure that we can do a good job.
Yes.
I specifically follow the designing pattern,
Yes, yes.
the natural one.
Yep.
So if you have observed, we did a widow's peak in the central part and temporal triangles on the sides.
Yes, yes.
That gives a very good side look and frontal look. In fact, I checked your older photographs with long hair.
Yes.
You look perfect with that
Yes, yes. I just kept short for time being, but I'm going to keep long again.
Yeah.
Hey, make it more natural.
one. Very true.
Yeah.
What about the side effects of transplant?
So far, any side effect?
Is it?
No, I'm good.
Yeah.
Because I took care very well, and you guys guide me.
Generally, people are scared of strip surgery. So we did a trichophytic closure on back side.
Yep.
So what's your experience?
No, my experience is good, done very well. So there's no dangerous, nothing. When even the surgery time, there's no pain. I didn't even feel anything. Was good.
What about the scarring on the back side?
Yeah, it's covered, completely covered. I don't have any scarf.
Is it?
Nah. It's
What about neck movement? People say
now? I got perfect, no neck problem.
you play and do gymming.
Yes, I do gymming. Yeah, now and there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any problems with that?
So far, no problem. I'm a perfect person.
Good.
Younger, perfect person.
Nice.
Perfect.
Nice. So we did harvested your beard also.
Yeah, it's grown back. There's no scar here underneath here. Even I do clean shaving, just can't notice anything.
So absolutely safe beard harvest.
Yes, it is safe.
Yes.
Yes, it's safe.
People are really scared actually.
Nah, I wasn't scared. I was prepared.
Were you scared previously before surgery?
Well, not really. I wasn't scared for anything. I was prepared, as I said. Yeah,
Confident.
confident. Yeah, I was confident because of the doctor.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And the results?
The result is good. Perfect. Number one, 100%. It makes me happy after 1 year. Good. Looks good. No problem. No side effects.
And we were able to keep the trust.
Yes, sure. 100%
Follow up.
follow up. Yeah.
My people keep on chasing you.
Yeah, they are. Every time they'll call me, they'll ask me to send all the photos every month, and follow all the procedure.
So was it good to follow?
Yes, it was good. I have any problem, I call immediately. The guy straight away answer my call. Yeah,
So we make sure even the recovery period is smooth.
yeah.
You are in New Zealand and I'm in Jaipur.
Now I'm happy. Good.
Thank you.
Yeah,
So that's what your personality says.
yeah,
You're looking young and
Yeah.
now very energetic.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's why my wife is worried now.
She knows what is inside.
Yeah,
Keep looking younger every day.
yeah. That's what. Thank you for you and for your team.
Yeah.
Yeah, they done a very good job. Helped me a lot when I was here after my surgery. Everything 100% keep a trust. 100% I recommend the doctor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah.
For more information, go to our YouTube links. We have detailed information of this subject on my YouTube videos.